Components panel is a module in Oxy Toolbox that adds a panel at the top in the Oxygen editor, which, when hovered, slides down and shows a list of the most Oxygen components, not all of them, but most of the built-in components. Um, at this time, it doesn't add components that are added by other plugins like Oxy Extras. So to enable the module, just tick Components panel and save changes. And if you already have Oxygen editor open, just refresh it. Okay, so here you can see this thin bar at the top, and when we take the mouse on top of it, it is going to slide down this panel, and this contains the components that Oxygen adds, grouped in different categories. So let's say I want to add a section. I can simply click on this and insert this section. Let's say I want to add a div. I can click on div, and let's say inside this div I want to add a columns component. I can click on that, and here when I take the mouse away of the panel, it is going to um, go back up, get hidden. So let's say I select the number of components and inside the left component, with the left column selected, sorry, I can add an image. And with the right column selected, let us add a heading. So heading, a text, and perhaps a button. So it just makes it really easy and fast to add, especially multiple components without having to, click on add and then click on different sections and then scrolling up and down. You can all just do everything in one place.